Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Create an account, enable billing, and request API access so requests will succeed. Once done, install the official SDK or pick an HTTP client for your language. This reduces friction and handles retries. Make and store a dedicated API key, restrict it by IP or scope to limit exposure, and keep it out of source control. These steps let you request models immediately, and they prevent common access and security failures later. Next, design your request flow. Craft the prompt or payload, define the schema for inputs and expected outputs, and include a couple of examples to guide the model. Implement the request code with proper headers, authentication, content type, and sensible timeout, plus exponential backoff for retries. Run small tests with 1 to 5 samples and inspect raw responses and latency. This reveals token usage and where parsing errors occur. Make sure to iterate prompts once you see real outputs. Finally, deploy your integration behind monitoring and rate controls so production stays stable. Once live, watch usage, errors, and cost. Set alerts for spikes and hard quota limits to avoid surprises. Implement validation and graceful fallbacks for unexpected outputs, and surface clear messages to users when things fail. If an issue arises, reproduce the failing request locally, verify the API key and headers, inspect server logs and raw responses, and retry with detailed logging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.